As I walk along this land, I wonder what will be. Will I be forever searching? Will my soul be free?
We didn't know who we were. We were seeking identity. Cesar Chavez gave us that.
My children reach the promise of equality.
I think the deciding factor in whether you're going to make real social change or not is risk. Are you willing to take a risk? And the farm workers took the risks.
As I walk along this land, I wonder what I see. See my brothers struggling to be free.
You're either part of the problem or part of the solution. There ain't no in between.
Will I be forever yearning? Will my soul be free?
It was said somewhere along the line, beware of a movement that sings.
Oh man, it was so exciting. The musicians were excited, the people were excited.
Even though we don't know where this journey is going to end, we know that this journey is going to be successful, even if it takes a long time to get there.
Art was integral to this project right from the very beginning because artists are naturally drawn to those causes that are pure. They're naturally drawn to them. Whether they're writers or they're musicians or they're actors or they're poets or they're painters, naturally they're drawn to that.
Cesar Chavez, his dreams, his hopes, his desires, his work will live as long as we who are alive keep it alive.